Today we'll talk about looking for a pattern, and this applies to word problems, and I talked to you about how that's one of our focuses. We are going to look at word problems, so let's go ahead and pause and write the title, which is right up top here, look for a pattern, and I put a little I because you're looking. So go ahead and write your title, and then after that write this word problem right here. So John has 15 candies. He wants to give them to 5 friends. And then the question is, how many candies does each friend get? So go ahead and write down the problem. Pause me, remember. Now we're going to write down number 1, which is understand. So the first step in looking for a pattern is to understand the problem. And so what I'm going to do, and if you have a different color like a red, use it right now. Grab your red. And I'm going to understand the word problem. I'm going to underline and circle. They call it marking it up. So John has 15 candies. Well, I know that I'm talking about 15 candies. That's an important thing. He wants to give them to 5 friends. That's another important thing. So I'm going to underline that. Under understand, I'm going to write 15 candies. And I'm going to write 5 friends. That's important information. Another important thing is to look at your question. What are they asking us? How many candies does each friend get? So they're asking how many each friend gets. That means equal groups. So we know we need to find equal groups. And with equal groups, it's either multiplication or division, right? So now we're going to make a plan. So put number 2, plan. So my plan is I could either do repeated addition. So you could write repeated addition. And we've learned how to do that. Or you could do an array. Or if you feel confident enough, you could do the multiplication or division if you know your facts. But it's good to always do a picture too. So for repeated addition, I know I have 15 candies and I have 5 friends. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to think about, well, what adds up equally to 15? So if I went by 2's, that's going to give me an even amount. Is 15 even? No, it's odd. I might be able to go by 3's, so I could try that. Let's see. 3 plus 3 is 6. Plus another 3 is 9. Plus another 3 is 12. I'm getting closer. Plus another 3 is 15. Oh, I see. There's that pattern. Now I'm going to try an array. So I know I need 15 candies. And I have 5 friends. So my array, we'll put our array, let's put a little arrow going down because I ran out of room. If you have room, go ahead and put it there. My array, I know I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 friends. Now I need to add up to 15. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I need to count this first row because I gave them a candy. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so I have 5 rows and 3 columns. We'll come back to the array when we try to solve. Now a picture. So let's put the picture down here because I'm running out of room again. And I'll do an arrow so you know where I'm going, right down here. Okay, so for my picture, I have my 5 friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These are my 5 friends. And now I'm going to give them a candy each. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, so I did a picture, I did an array, I did repeated addition. I am going to try to do the division problem. So if I have 15 candies, I do 15 and I want to divide it by 5 friends. I need to find out what my missing value is. Another way to do it is 5 times some number, gives me 15. All right, so we're going to solve it. We're going to look at all the pictures. So for my repeated addition, the answer seems to be that each kid gets 3 candies. For my array, here's one kid. How many candies did they get? 3. And for my picture, here's one child. How many candies did they get? 3. So I think my answer is 3 candies. But now I need to check it. And what I mean by check is I'm going to use my problems here and I'm going to see if it works. So I'm going to go 15 divided by 5 equals 3. I put my value in. And now I do 5 times 3 equals 15. Let's see if this works by skip counting. So I go 5, 10, 15. Yep, 3 sets of 5 give me 15. So your answer is 3 candies. Okay, we will be doing a lot with word problems, so be ready. I'll talk to you later.